Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 Verano. Buick Verano is a compact car built on the Delta II platform, designed and built from the ground up with the idea of it being a Buick, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, outside temperature gauge, rear window defroster, backup camera, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.